If you're struggling to make your videos feel fast and full of adrenaline, you've clicked on the right video. I'm going to give you the best settings for your GoPro and the best tips you can find. I'm going to make your videos look as fast as they felt. The head mount isn't the best choice if you want your videos to look fast. It's too high up on the head and will make it look slow. Same goes for the helmet mount. It's too high up, and the higher up you go on your head, the slower it's going to look. The chest mount is the best choice if you want your videos to look super fast and adrenaline rushing. You just need the right angle and it'll look good. I'm now going to explain the different angles. Too high of an angle and you won't see your front handlebars and wheels. But too low, you won't see what's in front of you and people can't tell how fast you're going. Try to get the camera to show the most of your handlebars and wheels, but still showing what's ahead. Now I'm going to show you the best settings for your GoPro. So here I've got my GoPro 13 Black. This is what we're going to be using today. These are going to be your best settings to use for mountain biking. For those who love long form videos, these are going to be your best settings to use. So to start off, we're going to be putting our profile at standard and our framing at 16:9 ratio. Our resolution is going to be 5.3K with a frame rate of 60 frames per second. Our digital lens we're going to set as wide, and our hyper smooth we're going to turn on. In the capture section, we aren't going to change anything, but when we get into ProTune, it's going to be a lot. Our bit depth is 10 bits. Our bit rate is going to be high. Our shutter speed is going to be auto with an EV comp of -0.5. Our white balance will be auto. Our ISO min will be 100 with a max of 800. Our sharpness we're going to set as medium, and we're going to put on denoise as high. We are going to leave the color as a natural. The audio, we're going to leave raw audio off and wind reduction on. Dashboard, we won't change anything, and same with shortcuts. Then go down to the bottom and press save as, and you can create a custom name if you'd like. All of these settings are going to make our videos seem more fast and full of adrenaline. Now for those people who love shorts. Now for these settings, it's roughly the same. We've got standard as our profile. We've got a 9:16 ratio for our framing. That's the main part. For our resolution, we have to use 4K with a frame rate of 60 frames per second. Our digital lens we're going to have is wide, and we're going to turn on hyper smooth. In capture, again, we aren't going to change anything, but for ProTune, we're going to have an 8-bit depth, a bit rate of high, and an auto shutter. The EV comp is going to be -0.5 with a white balance that's put on auto. The ISO min is going to be 100, and the ISO max is at 800 again. Our sharpness we're going to have as medium with a denoise that's set as high. Our color is going to be natural, and we aren't going to change anything else except for audio, where we're going to keep the settings the same as the 16:9. So we're going to have raw audio off and wind reduction on. You can go to save as and select any name you want for it. So again, all of these settings should get you the best results in a 9:16 ratio. So perfect for YouTube and TikTok. Now for the in-between. These can be used and you can crop them to whatever size you want. Our settings are roughly the same with a standard profile again, with an 8:7 ratio for framing, a 4K resolution with a frame rate of 60. Digital lens is going to be wide, and again we're going to have hyper smooth on. Capture, nothing is going to change, but ProTune, we're going to go back to 10-bit depth with a bit rate that's high and an auto shutter. EV comp, white balance, ISO min and max are all the same, so -0.5, auto, 100 and 800. The sharpness is going to be low now. with a medium denoise and a natural color. Again, we're going to have raw audio off and wind reduction on, and nothing else is going to change. You can go to save as and do your own name. These settings should give you the best outcome possible. Now roll some clips. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and it helped you.